got the 2023 EVO here, 2740 from the Dallas plant for the Pacific Northwest in Canada. I'm going to be presenting to you the floor plan and some of the things that we have as far as options that are available to you as a consumer. Hey, I wanted to go ahead and point out so you guys could see our oversized panoramic windows built into our slides. 5,000-pound jacks. We go ahead and put on the Forest River EVO Northwest. We have our solid step entry steps. Our outside kitchen, which is a griddle and refrigerator combination. We also put on the outside shower and power awning lit with an LED strip. As we walk into the 2740 bunkhouse, we have the command center here at easy access with the solid surface countertops. We have our stainless steel appliances as well as our 12-volt, 10.8 cubic foot refrigerator. This is deep and like a home-sized refrigerator put into your RV for convenience. We have the oversized pantry and closet for all your storage needs. Our double over double oversized bunks with a built-in ladder that also acts as support to our bunks. Full USB plugins and 110 plugins around all sleeping areas. Our double door access into our bathroom. As you can see, we have the step-in shower with the access to the outdoors. Oversized U-shaped dinette. This is also a Versa lounge that can go from the couch to the dinette. We have the oversized couch over here with built-in storage below. Blackout roller shades with full window treatments. In the 2740, you're gonna get a Bluetooth sound bar, a fireplace that is backlit as well as actual heat source. On board today, we have the 30 amp Go Power controller, expandable up to 600 watts. You currently have 200 watts installed by our factory. Along with this is you're gonna get 12 volt thermostatically controlled heat pads for your tanks. As well as you're gonna get this large oversized closet as you walk in the front door. All right, our bedroom also comes equipped with an oversized master queen closet for all of your items, along with your wardrobe around your beds. Thanks for coming in and taking a look at our 2023 Forest River EVO 2740 powered by Go Power with 200 watts of solar with our 30 amp controller on board today. If you'd like to see more of the EVO product, please visit our website at forestriverinc.com/EVO. Thank you again.